Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, we will see how to use Podman to set up OpenShift on your local environment. So OpenShift uh, for the local environment, OpenShift has Red Hat OpenShift has a different version which is like Red Hat OpenShift local. They also say that OpenShift version as Microshift. So which was earlier known as like Red Hat Code Ready Containers. So this is the official documentation from the Red Hat developer, and but we will using the Podman to set up that. So this is the documentation from the Podman desktop.io. So here Red Hat OpenShift local manage the minimal OpenShift environment or Microsoft cluster. So Microsoft is the just smaller version of that full-fledged OpenShift and which is used for like development and testing purpose. So it comes we with Podman desktop OpenShift local extension we can manage the install. So one of the thing which we require is like Red account, and then now so I already have the Podman desktop installed. So let's see the process. So I will open the Podman desktop. So here currently it's so here Podman is now running state automatically. It starts automatically. You can control that. Here I also have this OpenShift local which is saying installed but not ready. So by default you will not get this. For that you have to install the extension. So from the extension section catalog you have to install the Red Hat OpenShift local. Then in the setting under the resources you will see the same option for the OpenShift local similar to the Minikube and kind which we seen in the earlier videos. So in this so from this option we can say create new. It will ask for the resource, so you can choose as per your need and then say create. So here on the process will bit faster because I already have the CRC image downloaded. So if you see, but for the first time user it will take time. So if you see Microsoft VF kit and the CRC bundle is already downloaded. So now it's starting the VM, and for the Microsoft the version will be 4.17.1. Once the VM is up, it will do some more checks. In the task section also you can see that it's being provisioned. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so creation is successful. So now we can go back and we can see that Microsoft is running and endpoint is the api.crc.testing. We can control the lifecycle as we seen earlier, like we can restart and stop. It's everything is on VM. It's not like native Linux. We in the Mac also we have to create a VM, and now we can also see the in the context we have the Microsoft. So we can check the cluster from the CLI. So we can use the kubectl also. Let's say we see the all resources. So in the different like namespaces we have the different component of the OpenShift. So we have the OpenShift DNS in the we have OpenShift DNS in the ingress. We have the ingress controller, and In the Multis, we have the Multis CNI plugin. So we Multis, and we also have the OV in Kubernetes, which is the CNI for the IPAM, the operator lifecycle manager, OLM operator, and the storage provider. And so storage, we will get one storage class, so it's topo LVM provisioner, and the ingress controller, everything is there. If you want to see the nodes, you can also see from here. And just once, so it is the same control plane master worker, and based on the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.4, kernel is 5.4, CRI that. Now we can also explore those resources from the front end. So we have the dashboard, and similarly, like notes is there, we can see the same details but in the graphical way. So just another way of the things. And for the management part, you can see now it's also so running, and from the here we can say we can start, stop, other operation we can perform. Okay, so now you have the fully working OpenShift cluster up and running, so you can start your testing. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you everyone.